You are now watching Doorbell News.
Phoenix, Arizona. This is Tweakers Gone Wild, and this elderly grandmother is going around stealing packages in the middle of the day. She's gotta be a tweaker. Tweakers come in all ages, shapes, and sizes. Dallas, Texas. This tweaker was seen trying to enter someone's home and trying to get in the neighbor's car.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
The bowling ball, well, not looking at number. It was before, but was he was too Epstein, man. You call that boy. No breakfast. We're not big trouble. One of the woman, looking for a skinny. They can't be going. They do that. You people, they give the girl. And they go for bitch. And you make girls do that. We used to get school. And I was saying, everyone, eating little bit of Batman.
Phoenix, Arizona. Can't even have trash cans anymore. Tweakers Gone Wild. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. A silver Toyota Avalon pulls up. You know it's a hoopty, cause she opens the door from the outside. She creeps up and takes everything in sight. With that nice sundress on, you wouldn't even think she was up to no good. Wrong. And she drives off like nothing ever happened. Dallas, Texas. This guy looks like he's tweaking. Looks like he needs to get some sleep, or maybe he's on that other stuff. Either way, he needs to get lost. West Park, Florida. This female porch pirate comes for everything. She steals this lady's nice decorations. And then she goes to the grass area and steals some more decorations out the yard. She needs to get lost. El Cajon, California. We got a peeper here. A peeping tweaker. Albany, New York. This is just how fast something can get stolen out your car. A Honda minivan pulls up right next to a Tesla, which have cameras on them that always are recording. A creep jumps out the car and uses some type of punching device to break the window. Gotta be careful when you buy those high-end electronics. You may even want to bring that stuff with you when you're walking through the mall, because these guys will follow you around from one store to the next and wait for you to be vulnerable so that they can break inside your car. This guy walked off with a $3,000 to $4,000 brand new MacBook Pro computer. The car owner said they left the car for 10 minutes to stroll through the mall, and by the time they came back, the MacBook was gone. Hollywood, Florida. They had to bring the K9 out because the tweakers are going wild tonight. Pembroke Pines, Florida. Didn't I tell you before? You can't leave nothing outside on the porch. Los Angeles, California. This guy really wants this Ring camera. Los Angeles, California. Always be aware when your doors are wide open, cause these tweakers will walk right inside of your house. A tweak is seen walking inside of a woman's home. He ran off after she screamed. Oakland, California. These tweakers love stealing and ring doorbells and ring cameras, so you better get a cam masker to hide it. Because this porch pirate grabbed a ring camera and just walked off like it was nothing. Richmond, Virginia. This family had a surprise when they were headed to their car and they found a female tweaker inside eating potato chips.
Hello.
What?
Someone in the car.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
How are you? Gotta get out.
Okay, come on, bud.
Gotta get out.
You can take your
Gotta
chips.
get out.
You can take your chips.
Gotta
Take
get
your
out.
chips with you.
Come on.
Portland, Oregon. This female tweaker pirate takes 2 packages and disappears. Richmond, Virginia. This tweaker's trying to break inside someone's house, but he's unsuccessful and he walks off. Wallington, New Jersey. Yeah, we see your face. Another female porch pirate. They're going wild today. They're stealing everything. You better be on the lookout. Newark, New Jersey. $7,000 in goods get stolen out of this cell phone supply store. A thief breaks the bottom window, goes inside, and ransacks the place. An alarm goes off, but these thieves know that it takes about 3 minutes for cops to respond. He's in and out in a minute or less, with $7,000 worth of goods. Hopefully this guy gets busted. The alarm is going off, but he doesn't seem to be scared at all. He has an accomplice outside playing lookout. As you can see, it's broad daylight. These guys are bold, and they must be tweakers. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.